Living Well, brought to you by CHRISTUS Cabrini Hospital.
Jeff Tarrant joins us today. He is administrator of CHRISTUS Cabrini Hospital, here to talk about the fact that Huey P in Pineville is closing and what's going to take effect here at CHRISTUS Cabrini Hospital.
Thank you, and that's a correct statement, Francis. There's a lot of activity. There has been a lot of activity for quite some time, but beginning December 2nd, there's some very important milestones in terms of resources to replace the services that historically have been Huey P. Long. Specifically, at a location across the street from the hospital, it's 3351 Masonic Drive. We will be opening bright and early on December 2nd the Incarnate Word Community Clinic. That's a clinic designed to provide a variety of services, but it'll focus on primary care, both walk-in, urgent type care, as well as traditional primary care, specialty services to replace a badly needed and fairly high volume resource that will be closing as the Huey P. Long services will close.
Open 7 days a week, fully staffed?
It is. It'll be staffed by a variety of physicians and mid-level practitioners, specifically nurse practitioners. 7 days a week is the model. The hours will be Monday through Friday. We anticipate 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., so extended hours. And then Saturdays and Sundays, it'll be a little bit less in terms of total hours open, but it will be open both Saturday and Sunday as well.
But it is great medical care. If you are underinsured, not insured, insured, it covers it all.
It's open for everybody, yes, and that's the key point. And keep in mind, the resource is intended to replace a historic resource at Huey P. Long that has done a wonderful job of providing a badly needed level of health care for some folks. So the fact that if you don't have insurance, this is your destination. If you're underinsured, if you just need a doctor, this is your destination. Come see us. And that's the reason we're there, is to provide services to folks who perhaps don't have another resource through which to get their services.
But it's also wonderful for those folks that have not been able to go see a primary care physician or have that relationship with a physician, have just done it on an emergency basis. You can have that now.
That is our hope. Now, I mentioned we're offering both urgent care as well as traditional primary care through this location. Some folks don't like making appointments. And if you don't want to make an appointment, that's part of what the resource of the urgent care, the walk-in primary care is for. But we believe inherently that a good, solid, long-lasting relationship between a patient and a primary care provider is in the best interest of our health. So as you access our clinic through urgent care, that's fine, that's what it's there for. But at the same time, we would like to visit with folks about shifting over to more of a traditional relationship so they can actually have a closer relationship with a primary care provider.
For more information, call 866-581-3627.